Hi everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 9 of Inktober. Today has been an okayish day as the cold weather has finally caught up with me and I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I'm sorry about the lack of light and shadows in today's video as I filmed after sunset. Anyway, so today I'm illustrating one of my favorite cocktail, which is a Pornstar Martini. I used Chapman's recipe and the link is in the description box if you want to give it a try. And if you do try, then let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have a favorite recipe that you would like me to illustrate? Then let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to illustrate it in the next few weeks. I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching and remember to comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!